So these are my teammates from left to right. Bauna is in charge of operations, Karen in charge of marketing, myself I'm in charge of product and content development, followed by Sherry who is in charge of finance, and last but not least, Tura who is in charge of IT and support. Saathiya, or partner and lover, came about from my musings. I am a dating cynic with my 4 other married friends on how easy it was in the past looking for a marriage partner. We just have to listen to our parents and matchmakers' instructions and voila, we have a marriage for life, though without the freedom of choice. Currently, with the influx of modern dating apps, it doesn't produce results because people are just insincere, they're just looking for hookups. So basically, the lifelong partner scene has been all but dead. And this is why we came out with Saathiya. It aims to meld the parents, the matchmaker, and marriage seekers' requirements into a comprehensive profile database for online matchmaking. In 2012, I've graduated with a degree in sociology, and from there I have moved on to HR generalist roles, and moving on to currently I am a product and content developer of Saathiya. For the past 3 years, I was promoted to people and content manager of a small firm located in Singapore. This has allowed me to have an in-depth understanding of people as well as what makes them tick. Hence, my interest in product development and content development has led me to the development of Saathiya together with my teammates. I'm a pragmatic learner in the sense that I put what I have learned into practice. In addition, I score high in extraversion as well as openness. This allows me to have active engagement with people, and whenever I achieve something that people like, it fills me with pride and happiness, and this allows me to achieve more and better in the long run. Openness would mean that I am able to think creatively as well as think in abstract complex ways to develop the app and create content that is current, modern, suitable for the new dating app that is Saathiya. As part of a group of entrepreneurs, I score high in calculated risk-taking and autonomy as well as creativeness. So these attributes actually allow me to correctly assess my own capabilities, set challenging goals, and I am very imaginative and innovative. This allows me to do unconventional things and to develop the app further and to keep moving our group forward. My role as a resource investigator actually allows me to inject enthusiasm into the group projects. I create possibilities and networks with this enthusiasm. Hence, I keep the interest in Saathiya fresh by creating newer versions of the app to suit the ever-changing consumer demands. I also am in charge of growing the database of candidates by understanding their needs, as well as extending our network to new subscribers. My extroverted personality actually makes me actively seek out to motivate, to inspire people, to energize people to achieve our visions and to produce much needed change. So my role in this Saathiya group actually aligns people to gain support for our app, our very new and very exciting app. These are some of my contributions to Saathiya. First of all, software development. I have developed 10 different AI codes to record and to learn what candidates' preferences are, and I implemented them by prioritizing, aligning to business goals and consumer needs. In terms of effectiveness, this not only has this development increased accuracy of candidate matches, it also led to increased consumer belief and loyalty to the branding. Secondly, I have engaged in integrated project management. We have developed a continuous loop of feedback from all stakeholders, and this has allowed us to set up feedback program and project management teams. This has resulted in very efficient cost savings in terms of data gathering for feedback into AI for client database. And last but not least, we have engaged in content storyboards, brainstorming and development. This has allowed us to develop fresh ideas to keep the content and product up to date. In terms of implementation, it has allowed us to set up customer engagement analytics to measure content that appeals to all stakeholders. Not only has this increased perceived market value of application, it has also increased consumer satisfaction in our app. Let's talk about why this dating app is different from all the other dating apps out there. First of all, it is a one-stop platform for all matrimonial matters. This app enables end-to-end customer life cycle from matchmaking to even to marriage-related services. Secondly, it is a hybrid of culture, tradition, and technology, where community comes together irregardless of race, irregardless of geography, irregardless of physical center. In addition, there is a large market of unmarried singles as well as a booming industry of paid users who are expected to grow exponentially by 2023. There is also increasing mobile and internet usage. All these factors add up to a good return in investment. The revenue in India online matchmaking segment in 2019 is 100 million USD alone. With expected annual growth rate of 4.4%, this revenue will reach to 120 million USD by 2023. Hence, this is why we actually wanted to focus Saathiya in India itself to tap on its potential and to reap the gains from it.